No, this way, Dad. I'm kind of an open book and a bit of a dork. Oh yeah, sinkhole. Looked me dead in the eyes and said, "Aren't trout supposed to be massive?" I've slept in that much water since I was in amniotic fluid. That was the best camping food I've ever had. Well, that was dumb. That was very dumb. Good morning. We survived the night. It was an absolute downpour all night. Tent soaked through. There was a good leak. Overall, though, I slept pretty good. Had no real issues. Just gonna have some breakfast and get back out on the water and do some fishing. Bread dough raised pretty nicely overnight. I'm gonna try and fry it up. We'll see how this turns out. I'm kind of excited. My bro, oh, did you look at that? That doesn't look bad at all. I think the Outdoor Boys bread is going to be a success. Oh heck yeah! Now it's time to put some honey butter on it. That was phenomenal. A little bit of honey and butter on there. That was the best camping food I've ever had. I'm always curious to see what the old fellers are up to. Oh, Dad's got himself a rake. Jeez, man, you do all right on a loan. You have the cleanest campsite on. Lasts about 3 days, but it'd be clean, I tell you what.
I wish they'd do that alone again, that one again where they had the 4 teams. Huh? Where they had 4 teams.
Whew, that's hot. So we just started moving camp around a little bit. We got our temporary tent shelter here set up. Got a little gear place moved. Just after the torrential downpour, we decided to move up to some higher ground. We're drying the tent out. It took on a lot of water last night. We'll debate whether or not I'm actually going to sleep in it tonight. Getting the ground cloths, but we tented over there last night. It's just kind of a low point and it collected a lot of water. So hopefully this will change things, and we're going to move the fire pit up. We're drying out a lot of clothes. They're all pretty well saturated after last night, and our sleeping bags and our sleeping pads. Big moose walks right along here. Huh? Yeah, big moose walks right along.
Yeah. Look at that, eh?
Yeah, and there's a big beaver dam right there too. This is not the way to go.
I offered to leave, you said no.
I thought this was a shortcut. I thought...
Are we exactly on the river, do you think?
We're coming up to it. I just thought it'd be drier. I was wrong on every account. It's good, we're getting a shower. That's probably a sinkhole there, I'd be careful of that. Oh my gosh. Well, we got mildly turned around, but we're back. You know, I'm not really sure what the purpose was, John. Well, that was dumb. That was very dumb. I will concede.
Ah, we put the small stuff, man.
Oh yeah.
We're learning.
Come on. There we go. All right, it's the beauty of the day. We're heading up towards the boats. Gonna do a bit of early morning fishing. Oh, it's so much nicer that it's not raining and it's bright out. Such a morale booster. Hopefully it'll be a good day of fishing as it was yesterday. We're still here. And after that long hike, we still forgot our life jackets back at base camp. So I'm gonna muscle it back and grab all 3 so none of us drown or anything. And hopefully get back in a good time. See what we can do. It's an absolute perfect day. It's only about 8 o'clock in the morning. I move a lot faster when I'm not dragging those 2 boat anchors behind me. I'm just kidding, I love them. But they've been teasing me all morning. Probably with good reason, to be honest with you. Oh my goodness, that's thick. There we go. Okay. They've been teasing me all morning so they can use a little bit of their own resin. Problem is they don't leave me as much content to tease them about. I'm kind of an open book and a bit of a dork, so There's plenty to tease me about. It's a nice looking campsite. I'm pretty proud of this thing. I might do a little cowboy camping under the stars tonight. We'll see. I think honestly it's probably drier outside the tent than it is. Oh, there's John's. All right, 3 life jacks heavier. That's for you, Mom. And we're gonna muscle our way back. Actually, not just for Mom. It's part of safe boating practices. Oh, I think we gotta try.
Fish all the way up?
Oh yeah, let's give her a start, I say. Oh, brook trout. No, he's not a keeper. Chill out, buddy. Stuck into another trout. Nice little guy. Look clean, I'm gonna let him go. Beautiful. Pull a little trout in. Look nice and clean. Let's let him go. Back in the water. And just hooked into this guy. He'll be good supper tonight. Beautiful fish. Oh. Had a hit. Missed him. And we got a big fat chub. There we go. Back in the water. Using chub today for bait. Cannot get over how much this has all grown in since I was here a month ago. There was no foliage, now it's like a jungle. I love it. I just really want to try this pool up here. I always catch something pretty good out of it. But we'll see. Just gotta do a little rock hopping. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh, that was a bite. All right, so the water levels are still really high up in the rapids there. There hasn't been none of it's really pooling up right now, so I think I'm just gonna continue to bide my time down here in the slower moving waters. And I did just pull a nice little probably 8 or 9 inch trout out. It was a self-release, so I'm good with that. So there is probably trout in it, but it's just kind of hard to walk through that fast-moving water. And I'll head back here, see how the old fellers are doing. But it's a beautiful day. I cannot get over this. We really needed some nice warm weather after that cold, wet night. That was extremely, extremely wet. I haven't slept in that much water since I was in amniotic fluid. Big old bald eagle circling around. At least it's not a buzzard waiting for these 2 old guys to die. Sorry. Pretty proud of this one. It's a good looking brook trout. He'll eat tonight. Oh, there's a fish right there. Oh my word. Nice fish. Holy crap. And spit it right at the boat. In the boat. I'm going to keep him. That's 10-inch easy. Find him. Look at that. Another great trout. Beautiful. Pulled this little guy in. He's going back. Beautiful fish. Oh, that feels like good fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a chub. Big fat chub. Love a good fight. All right, so we made it back to base camp after what initially seemed like a pretty uneventful morning of fishing. We actually did pretty good, and I'm not sure. We're not at our limit yet, but it's a pretty good stringer of fish here. We'll be eating good tonight. Pretty excited about that. Still got a lot more fishing left today though, but we're gonna get some lunch into us. And I'm gonna do something I haven't historically done, is fish this afternoon over here along this river section in front of the campsite. It looks quite promising, honestly. Like, I don't know why I don't fish it. I mean, just check out that view from the campsite. $1.75 at the dollar store. You boil them right in the bag. You can't beat these. Nope. Might have overfilled it.
I got her walking there now. She's coming up through now, Johnny.
Well, it's looking good. It's looking real good. They're getting ready. Just gonna let them heat up a little more. Let's take a little try of this.
Probably warm. Dry bite beater?
Beef stroganoff. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that was really good. So I just had this beaver splash at me. I missed it on the camera, but you can see the ripples there. He's not. Oh, he just popped his head up. There he is. I'm gonna get out of here. He's not too thrilled about me disrupting his home, which is right here. But yeah, it's kind of neat. I just want to show you. Maybe, yeah. So you can see, like, right there is kind of the entrance to the lodge. They have little underwater pathways. Usually they have 2 entrances and exits that they can get in and out of. But it's kind of a bank lodge, so certainly not a freestanding one. And you can see that there's food resources, a lot of a little hardwood mixed in there, a little softwood, lots of cedar. But basically they strip the bark off these trees and feed on that. They're still out there giving me the evil eye. He's coming in. Let's see how close he'll get to me. So the old fellas are taking a little afternoon nap. The excitement's just been too much for them. But in the meantime, they've settled nicely, so I'm gonna go do a little bit of fly fishing in the early afternoon, see if I can't stir up anything. Nothing's been happening so far. But it's an absolutely beautiful day. I can't get over how lovely this is. I love this place. He just splashed at me again. I missed it. while back, my mom was showing my girlfriend some pictures and scrapbooks, and you know, in order for a fish to end up in a scrapbook, typically I'm proud enough of it to bring it home and get my mom to take a picture of it for me. So this was a fish that I was proud of, and as Cass was flipping through the scrapbook, she stopped and asked me what kind of fish that was, and I told her it was a trout. And God love her, with all of the best intentions in the world, she looked me dead in the eyes and said, "Aren't trout supposed to be massive?" I've not recovered, frankly. It was probably the most emasculating moment of my life. And hopefully this summer, at some point, I will show her that I can in fact catch a massive trout. I don't know, it's really lit a fire under me now, so we'll see. Maybe she'll be impressed by this 12-inch trout that I caught today, but I'm not super optimistic. I just pulled in this little landlock right out of, oh, there he goes, right out of this fast water. That was a lot of fun on the fly rod. That was a great time. Oh, I got a fish on. I think it's a little trout. Let me see. He's putting up a good fight. Yeah, little trout. Let's get him dealt with. This little guy, another beautiful little brook trout, hooked super clean with the fly. We're gonna let him go. Well, that's the end of that. I said I was going to fish till I lost my fly, and sure enough, I lost my fly. So I think I'm going to go back, and I might actually take a nap. That's pretty much it. Get ready for this evening's fish. Alright, so we're all caffeinated up and we're gonna hit the river for a nice evening of fishing, see if we can't turn up any more trout for dinner. Oh, this is a lot of fun, and I can't resist going back out on the river. Probably be more of a catch and release kind of night.
Where is this the front?
That's the back.
That's the back.
This is the front.
No, crazy. I can't get it straight.
It's the
left and right. I think my mind's going.
It's the funniest things that confuse you too. Mom's side, dad's side.
Like, seriously. How come I can't? Maybe I am getting a little. I know.
There you go, man. Alright. I'll see if I can not sink it down too much here with my hefty.
Yeah, that's a big stuff.
Woo!
You're good.
We're in. Let's see what kind of action we can drum up tonight. This is weird, the wind and the current are in opposite directions, eh? The water's doing this crazy, I don't know what to call that. Really weird. Nope, snag. Just took this little fella. Beautiful little brook trout. Gonna let him go. He was hooked nice and clean. Okay. I'm gonna leave my kayak up there.
Oh yeah.
Just start the portage over here. The urge to try and catch a fish in here is just absolutely overwhelming. I have to try a couple casts. I don't typically fish here, but I ask myself why not. It seems like it has fish. Cool hit. Let's see if we can get him back. Oh, that's not where I wanted to put it. Nothing.
Yes and no. There's the rock. They both work. There's the rock. There's the wheel.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring it up nice and high.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Sinkhole. Oh yeah.
Then we head over there.
Base camp's over there.
Then we head right over there. Homeward bound, how we shall run. Homeward bound. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful up here.
Oh, it is.
Wait, look at this.
I know.
Oh.
I don't want to leave.
No, that's the thing, right?
All settled into base camp for the night. We're gonna cook some trout and beans for supper.
I'm so wet. Me too. I had to take my shirt off. That's how you make a fire.
I haven't made a fire this trip, but this is my chance.
Oh, I'm stepping right in front of your camera.
That's alright, it adds character to the footage.
Well, that's true.
Alright, so I just gotta pick up the trout. Can't quite remember where I left them here. I got them tied off in the river just to keep them cool all day. But I think they're right along here somewhere. Where are they? Oh no. Oh wait, never mind. I just couldn't just misplaced them. Here we go. Let's get these guys back into their future home, aka the frying pan. Alright, there we go. Wow, I really thought an otter came and stole them. I'm so happy to see those guys. I've been so sad. Man, I thought for sure an otter stole them.
Well, that's what I was thinking when you said that.
I thought they were further down the river.
I saw the otter. Over to get this. Here, we got more plates.
I mean, you look right there, you tell me that doesn't look good. That is supper tonight.
Bread in the morning. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bread and bacon and eggs. Yeah. That'd be good out here.
That would be.
Be good out here.
That would be. I feel like Mom would love a video of this. The three of us roasting marshmallows. This is a good time right here. I don't care who you are.
There's the cookies. Thank you. Thank you.
Oop.
Are they like bite size? Is that what you're supposed to do? Or I don't know. I just kind of stuck it on there.
Hey.
Oh my land. Good.
Can't go wrong with s'mores. You
These
add
are the chocolate caramel salt.
Oh, you add caramel to the mix. You can't go wrong with that. Oh, that's a wrap on another day. Just gonna get my pajamas on, hit the hay.
It's been a good day.
Great day. Good morning. So we all survived night number 2. Just getting some coffee into us. Gonna have breakfast. Gonna try and make the fried bread again this morning. But it should be a good day. Basically, we're just gonna pack out today and head downriver. Hey, Dad. How was your night?
Excellent night. Awesome night. Slept like a baby all night.
Good. How was your night, man?
Man, it was absolutely perfect.
Perfect. I love it.
Had a great sleep. Woke up with ice on my fingertips. Other than that, it was pretty good. Now we got some water for coffee. Other people will survive.
Good. A little lesson learned about letting your dough rise overnight. Use a big bag because this will happen otherwise. Had a bit of an explosion. Alright, so we got the bread dough on the frying pan. It's coming along nicely. Give it a few more minutes. Found all these extra frying pans kind of laying in the dirt, so we're making use of them. And that right there, folks, is the finished product. Oh yeah. And this right here is loaf number 2. Overcooked it a little, and sadly that's actually the good side. I was packing up my bag. I packed my belt near the bottom of the pack, and I don't feel like unpacking. So this is my luxury parachute cord belt. It'll be available on the Josh Shanks YouTube store for purchase for $39.99. Alright, so we just packed up base camp, getting the canoe all loaded up, and then we're gonna be heading out on the river here pretty soon. Just making sure I don't leave anything. But that being said, I'll definitely be back here anyways, so not the end of the world, and having an excuse to come back and get something's always a good idea. I think that's it. I'm going to take one more walk around the campsite. This whole thing's usually like above water this time of year.
You your canoe's right up in the fan.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
And we're off.
Yep. We're gonna go through these rapids the same way we came up them, that like far side rock. Yeah. You can't really see rocks, so just look for like eddies and swirls. So it's kind of all you can go off of, really. Yep. We should be good here. Yeah, like right here. Miss that swirl that you see? Yeah, that's a rock under there. We're on a pretty good arc. And then we're going to go straight through here. There we go. And then just straight through here. Like dead in the middle of those two. Okay. So there's no rock right in the middle. Yep, we're good. But I'm pretty sure there's a rock that comes up on you pretty fast up here somewhere. Water might be up high enough to... I think we're good. So we're sitting around the campfire last night, enjoying tea and just having a great time. You know, begrudging the fact that the trip was coming to an end. And John comes out with the statement, and all these words will always live with me in terms of words of wisdom, you know. Don't be sad it's over. Be sad it happened. Pretty much a good description of every time I come out in the woods. I'm going to take that back end rope. Oh yeah, I'm good. I got this one. You know, I'm no expert at this, but it ain't pretty, but I'll get the job done, you know. Some people make it look like an art form. I'm definitely not that guy. Perfect. Now I just gotta catch up to it. Oh, one in the boots. Oh, goodness. Biggest thing is just don't let your boat get too far ahead of you. If it ain't in a spot you're comfortable with, put it where you want it to be. And you can always stop it up. As long as it's in a good position with the current, you're good. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the reset button on that one. Maybe I just get a little better angle on this, it should work. There we go. Just gotta play the angles. Oh, that was smooth. There we go. All right, back to the big portage here. Last one of the trip, and then it's just a straight paddle to the car. Beautiful day for it though, not too hot. Having a great time. They're still going strong though, I love it. I hope I'm that cool when I'm in my late 50s, 60s. And just like that, we're through the portage and back on the river. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
How you feeling, John?
I'm feeling good.
Nice. Nice shallow water here, just gonna pull along. Oh, paddleable now. Let's see. Yeah, right over there, Dad. We got her.
Left side.
Mom's side, yeah. Get confused with my lefts and my rights. That's a big fish that just swam from me.
Oh yeah?
That's probably the one we saw the jump on the way here. Yes, that's right. This one is deep enough. And nice little current. Yeah, we're going right kind of down that far side of the channel.
After these two?
Yeah, like out, and then we're gonna hook. Because what's that?
Kind of close to the shore, or
Yeah.
in the middle?
Well, split that rock and that rock.
Okay.
This usually takes some aggressive paddling, so we'll get her done. So we're right between this little channel here. You got her? Okay, and then between these two. No, this way, Dad. Yeah. Oh.
That was steering at the back. Oh, no.
I know, the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wherever your gut says deepest water.
Mom side. Come on.
And with that, I think that concludes our video, folks. Like and subscribe if you want. I don't care. It's all good.